we are on our way to the top of Penang Hill, and we are starting our journey in this tram. The ride is going to take about 4 minutes and 3 seconds, and I haven't much studied about this Penang Hill, but I'll speak to our guide, Miss Elena. Hi Elena, how are you? So this was built in 21, you said, the third generation. Okay. Can I come to this side? Can I come this side? Yeah. So our Penang Hill journey has just started in the tram.
Stop every station. For the substation, they only stop for they stop for staff, the workers here, or either the residents. Usually yes, they are residents here, and they don't usually stop at the substation for the hikers or tourists.
So what is there on the top? Like I forgot.
On the top, we are the one that we're looking, the building up there now. That's the meter station.
What station?
Meter station.
Okay.
In between meter station. Sometimes they might stop for hikers to come up and go down on the tram.
Okay.
Yeah. And here comes the steepest part of the railway.
Steepest part of the railway. Okay. So this is called what? Funicular railway, right?
Yes, it's a funicular tram.
Funicular.
Look at the cable on the railway. That's
okay,
the one that pulling the tram up actually.
Okay.
So there's no engine in the funicular actually.
Okay.
This is the middle station, and that's where we intersect with another tram.
Okay.
It's just like balancing. All the time is one going down and another one going up. Now you see two cables on the railway.
Okay.
The cable, there's two. One end is connected to the tram we're having here, and the other end of the cable will be connected to the tram just now that we see.
Wow. So first it was built in
1923.
1923.
Yes,
That time Malaysia was ruled by Britishers, right?
Yes.
Okay.
And we have just celebrated our 100 years anniversary.
100 years. And that's what you showed us. They are using the parts of the
red
old.
and white funicular. This tram is the second generation tram. And at that time, it takes almost 30 minutes to reach from the lower station to the upper station.
Wow. And so the old tram, they are using the parts to build those, the decorative stuff, right?
Comes the steepest tunnel.
Steepest tunnel, huh?
Yes.
Okay.
So we are reaching the upper station of the hill.
Oh.
We are now at the top already.
At the top. And this is at what height? 712 meters, yeah?
Yes.
Okay. So it will be slightly colder than the lower station, right?
Of course, yes. Wow.
Okay, I'll stop this video now and then I'll restart later. Thank you, Alina, for all the narration.